All right, guys, so we are back again. Lawn is looking a little long today, though. I mean, look at it, it's long. It's been a while since it's been cut, I'm being honest with you guys. But it looks really good post renovation that we did on the front here, overseed. Everything's looking really good. You can see, look at this area where my neighbor's lawn was. Remember, this was all really brown. It's looking really, really good right now. It is hot. It's gotten really hot out lately. And so we're going through a little bit of a heat wave here. So we got to get some nutrients down here. And so I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with this year and what I'm putting down on the lawns just to keep everything looking good. I'm going back to what I originally used to use when I first started kind of growing my own grass in like my tiny little townhouse apartment that we had. I had a very, very small patch of grass that I just really wanted to grow. I wanted to do it on my own, and I was using this product, and so I'm gonna go back to them. I don't know why, it's just something I wanted to do. I wanted to go back, and so we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna mow this up real quick and show you guys what we're working with today. So 1 second. And there it is. Man, look at those stripes though. Ooh, these things are popping. If you guys want that striping kit, I'm gonna link that down below. It's the lawn striper with the brush on it. Super, look at these stripes, so dang. Back to the product though. What we are going to be using today is Simple Lawn Solutions, guys, and really happy to kind of be moving back over to them and going back to that product that I originally really kind of started using a long time ago. So let me go ahead and grab it real quick out of the garage. All right, guys, so what we are going to be using today is the Simple Lawn Solutions 1648. All right, guys, so this is a wonderful product. Let's talk about what is in the bottle though. So the number 1648 represent the nitrogen, the phosphorus, and the potassium in the bottle. There's 16% nitrogen, 4% phosphorus, and 8% potassium. Now, all of these things are vital to having a nice, healthy lawn, all right? So the nitrogen is efficient for your lawn. What it does is it promotes the top growth and the green up of your top lawn, all right? Everything that you see above the soil level is all nitrogen. So this is 16% nitrogen, and 14% of that is urea nitrogen, which is a fast acting nitrogen, perfect for your lawns, all right? That 4% of phosphorus, that goes down below the soil level. That is to help promote strong and healthy root growth, all right? And then the 8% potassium is there to help with the stressful situations your lawn goes through, the heat, the big swings, all that, disease, fungus. That is what the potassium is for within this product. So you're getting a little bit of everything within this one product. So on top of the macros, your nitrogen, your phosphorus, and your potassium, you're also gonna get some fish emulsion and some seaweed inside this product. Now, what does that do for your lawn? Well, when it gets down into the soil level, it helps those roots absorb even more of the product, making it more efficient for your lawn, easier for your lawn to absorb and take in all those nutrients and really, really look good. As you can see, I have two different bottles here. We have our 1 gallon, which is perfect for you backpack sprayers in large areas. This is absolutely perfect for you. It's gonna last me pretty much all year round. Now, if you want something smaller, something easy, you can go with this hose end sprayer. This is 32 ounces and it'll cover 3,200 square feet. So this will last you a very, very long time on your lawns. Very simple and easy to use. Go ahead and just attach your hose into there. You're gonna go ahead and turn the dial here to on. You'll hear it start to absorb and mix together and then spray onto your lawn. And you just wanna do a nice fanning motion across your lawn, all right? Once you're done adding the nutrients on the lawn, you wanna go ahead and at least water that in for 20 minutes within 24 hours of putting that product down. I specifically like to let my product sit in the evening and let it kind of sit over the lawn and really kind of absorb in and get all those nutrients in through the leaf blades first and then going into the soil, and then I'll go ahead and water it in. I think that just works best for me. What works best for you, up to you guys. At least water in 20 minutes within 24 hours of putting the product down. The potassium will help your grass fight off stress, while the phosphorus ensures a strong root system below the surface. It's not just about the looks of the lawn, it's about the overall lawn's health. So putting it down is just that easy. So if you did want to go ahead and put it down with your backpack sprayer, you're gonna go ahead and mix that up though to 4 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet per gallon of water. So you're not using a whole lot and you're getting a really, really good, product out of it. So, what should you expect to see once you go ahead and put this product down? Well, the product is going to start working within a couple of days. You'll really start to see some really nice top growth, some really good green up, and ultimately your lawn is just going to look healthier and better overall. All right, so we went ahead and put this down today. This is really the first application of fertilizer that I've put down since we did the renovation on this lawn, and it has been needing it. You can see some areas here that are looking a little rough because I got sick right after we did that renovation. I haven't been able to get out here and give the lawn the attention that it needs. So now that it's got some nice fertilizer, we're gonna go ahead and water this in, get this, get that just nutrients down to the root level and really watch this lawn pop. So to recap, here's why I recommend the Simple Lawn Solutions 1648, all right? You get a quick green up without burning, you get organic inputs like your fish and seaweed, and it's safe for all grass types, all right? Easy hose and spray application if you need it, and boosts both the top growth and your root development of your lawn. That's really what you guys are looking for out there, is some really nice green up, top growth, and the root systems down below, all right? So where do you guys go ahead and get this product? Well, you can go ahead and pick it up directly from simplelawnsolutions.com, and I will leave a link down below if you wanna go ahead and try it out, all right? So whether or not you are just starting your lawn journey or you are a seasoned, lawn veteran, this product is a solid addition to your program, all right? Let me know, guys, if you've used it before down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of the product. If you have, if you haven't, give it a shot. Maybe it works just perfectly for you. Other than that though, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, you guys know what to do. Smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, go out there, make it a great day, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.